Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, Independent Designer for Chalk Couture. And if you like my videos and would like to help me with my small business, please push the like, share, and subscribe button below. There we are, below. Also, you can go to chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And there you can go there to shop or join and become a designer like me. You could do two things. You can be a hobbyist and enjoy the 40% discount, which is awesome. Or you could start your own business. Well, today we're going to work on this base and chalkboard. We're going to put fall leaves on it, and we're going to use this transfer, which is Together, Blessed, and Thanks. We're just going to take a few different colors of chalk. I have garden green, I have lemon yellow, and also brick. I'm just going to put a couple dots of each of the color on the leaves and then take the squeegee and squeegee it off. I think they call it marbling. Whatever it's called, it's a cool technique and you never get two leaves the same. That one I just did was with brick and the yellow. And the other one was the yellow and the green. And now I'm using all three colors. I have a little bit of the brick on the base and the tip, and then the yellow and the garden green in it. You want to use it sparingly though, because you cannot save the excess paste because you're making a new color. You don't want to put it back in the jar and contaminate the color. Now this is a pretty awesome transfer. Not only can you put it on here, it's so blessed, together, and thankful. You can put it on like a glass frame of a picture that you really like. So blessed, especially. I'm using Custard right now. It's kind of an off-white. However, that is an old color. Our new ones, the closest one would probably be Fawn. And here I'm just using the So from the So Blessed. And I'm using the backing of the transfer to protect the chalk already laid down. And there you go. I was happy with this one. I thought it turned out really cute, and it was really fast, really simple, easy. And it's paste, so if you don't like it, you can do it again. And there's my babies with the So Blessed on the frame. Yeah, I love it. Bye.